so much to learn about. It'll make you want to shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you see me? Yeah. Do you see how I'm wearing glasses? Why don't we draw my glasses together? Yeah. All right. They're pretty hard to draw, but I think you got this. First, let's start with a long straight line. There we go, for the top. And then 2 bubbles, half circles. There we go. Perfect. And then you have to draw the arms. Yeah, that's what holds them onto your face, your ears. All right, there we go, a little hook. Perfect. And then one over here. Whoa, whoa, don't those look good? Yeah. Well, since they're my glasses, maybe we can color them in with orange. Woohoo! All right, there we go. Whoa, I love drawing and coloring, and I love my glasses. Whoa. Well, this is the end of this video, and if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye. I was just acting like a T-Rex. Hey, it's me, Blippi. I'm not a T-Rex, but I think you and I should draw a T-Rex together. Whoa! T-Rexes are so cool. They lived such a long time ago, and they're so fierce. All right, to draw a T-Rex, I'm gonna take this purple marker and draw the start of a rectangle, but I'm not gonna complete it. Then I'm gonna draw the start of a triangle. There we go. And I won't complete that either. And that's the tail and that's the head. Then we need to draw the leg and the foot with some curved lines. There we go. Whoa! Then connect that. And now we need 2 little arms. So cute. One right there and one right there. Oh, that's okay. There we go. And 2 claws on each arm. Now let's draw a circle for the eye and a smiley face. And let's draw some spikes down its back. Whoa! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you like to draw? I do too. Let's draw an animal together. Okay, you can guess what animal it is. It's really tall, has a really long neck. Yeah, and they live in Africa. Yeah, a giraffe. Let's draw a giraffe together. First, let's draw the head. Ooh, there we go. 2 little ears, just like that. Oh, and then on top, they have these things called ossicones. Yeah, they kind of look like horns, but they're a lot cuter. All right, 2 small eyes. There we go. And then 2 nostrils, and then a smiley face. Nose, mouth, and eyes. All right, now let's draw the really long neck. Yeah, there we go. And then there's the body. Oh, and then it has 4 legs. There we go. And then the feet. Perfect. And the tail. Whoa. Oh, and you can't forget about all the spots, just like that. Oh, there we go. So cute. Wasn't this so much fun drawing a giraffe together? Yeah. If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Whoa! Hey, it's me, Blippi. Did you hear that? Sounds like a monster truck. Whoa! I love monster trucks and I love drawing. Let's draw a monster truck together. First, let's start with the cab right up top. Whoa, that's where the driver sits. And then, yeah, let's make a big rectangle right here. But instead of connecting it, we need to make space for the big tires with half circles. All right, and how does the monster truck cab attach to the tires? With giant shocks! Yeah! All right, there we go. And what's it missing? giant wheels and tires. Yeah. So 2 big circles right there and 2 big circles right there. And then a square for a window. Wow. Now, does that look like a monster truck or does that look like a monster truck? Yeah. Well, if you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah. B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And today you and I are gonna draw a bee. Bzz. Not just any bee, bee from Lellobee City Farm. Whoa, bees are very important for our environment and pollination. All right, to draw a bee, I'm gonna take blue and draw a circle for the head. Ooh, an arched line for the body. Ooh, and some more curved lines for the wings. There we go. And can't forget about the cute legs. Ooh, and 2 arms. There we go. Wow. All right, let's draw some circles for the eyes like that. Whoa, there we go. It's starting to look like bee, right? And then some suspenders. There we go. Yeah, for the overalls. Cool. And bee actually has stripes, just like a regular bee. There we go. And then let's draw a big smile, just like that. And you can't forget about the antennas. There we go. All right, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. I was just acting like a bear. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Speaking of a bear, why don't we draw a bear together? Wow, bears are so cute. They're cuddly, ooh, like a teddy bear. But bears in the wild you want to stay away from. All right, first let's draw a circle for the head. There we go. And then an oval for the body. Ooh, and then, yeah, for the nose right there. Ooh, and another circle for the eye. Ooh, and a button nose. There we go. Oh, doesn't that start to look like a bear right now? Yeah. And then for the body, ooh, and 1 arm right there, a leg, another leg, and the arm. Wow. Oh, can't forget about the 2 cute little ears up there. Wasn't this fun drawing a bear with me? Yeah, I love drawing with you. If you want to draw some more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you later. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Today, you and I are gonna draw Arpo. Arpo is a great and patient babysitter who's also a robot. All right, let's start by drawing Arpo's face. Let's start with this curved line like that, and go up with another curve, and then let's draw the top of Arpo's head. Whoa, wait. Then let's keep that curved line going, and woo, yeah. All right, and then for his eyes, some more curved lines, and a circle with a circle inside, another circle with another circle inside, and you can't forget about his mouth. Yeah, a straight line and a silly tooth right there. Whoa, and for his shoulders, there's Arpo. Wow, I love drawing. Did you have fun today? Yeah, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.